Alright everyone, welcome back for part 2 of this project. Yeah, I did a couple voiceovers, and these were recorded on the same day, though I'm not sure if you're going to see this one on the same day as the other one. That being said, what you're going to see me doing is we're going to do a testing. We're going to be testing this wire and lengthening and shorting it with the way that we'd actually deploy it. So I'm going to be tossing some lines into some trees here. The only thing is you're missing is I might do a third line where I hook from the top eye bolt, but I didn't have a third tree for deployment here. So this is in my backyard. You probably recognize it. You're going to see the lines from one tree to the other, and we're just going to hoist them up. So I'm going to get out of here. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments below. If you like the voiceover, let me know in the comments below. If you'd rather have me mic'd up and commenting, live on the video, just, let me know. Trying something new. So, let's get to your video. can see a quick toss here, and there we go. We did have it reading a little bit better than 1.4 to 1, but this is perfectly workable. Show you real quick how we had it deployed. Like I said, right now I just got it tweaked between two trees. This is on 10 meters, so we got a little room to play with out in the field. I like how it happened. Again, I want to take a special time to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and thank these channel supporters. If you want to join the channel supporters, there are links down in the comments or in the description below. With that, see you next time. Have a wonderful day.